It's not 40 degrees, not 41, not even 42, but no, it is 42. It's 42 degrees. It's hot.
For the next 3 hours, we got just enough daylight to disappear into the mountains. It also happens to be the hottest day of the year. None of that matters, because today, I want to answer a question that's been stuck in my head. Is the DRZ the most underrated dual sport in 2026? The answer might surprise you.
Just riding here, I'm just sweating buckets already. So we're gonna go up there some ways and hopefully get a little bit cooler. But he's got his 450, if you guys remember that one. I got to ride that. It ripped my arms off, scared the crap out of me. So I won't be riding it today. But I got the DRZ today again. This is the one day that I didn't bring much water either, so 42 degrees. All right, let's get riding. Oh boy, is it hot out. Okay, it's showing 44 degrees now, guys. Normally I don't ride when it's over 35 because it's just a little too uncomfortable, but my God. I'm trying out the new quad lock here with vibration dampener. Thank you, Dork in the Road, for the link. Got a little bit of a discount on that. So hopefully this works. It's not at the right angle. Got to mess around with that switch a bit, but yeah. Anyways, Dork in the Road. Thanks, buddy.
If you're new here, that's me, James. I'm just an average weekend warrior trying to get better one ride at a time. Right now I ride a T7, but lately I've been wanting to do some more technical terrain. That means it's probably time for a smaller dual sport. Got a goal. Once this channel hits 10,000 subscribers, I'm gonna buy one. So if you enjoyed this video and want to help make that happen, I'd really appreciate it. Now the DRZ has been at the top of my list for a while now. Aside from the new release, the old DRZ has pretty much been unchanged for nearly 20 years. It's built a cult following that refuses to die. So today, I'm not just riding a DRZ for fun, I'm trying to answer a question. Does this 25-year-old dual sport still make sense to buy in 2026? Or should I save up a little longer and go for something newer with a little more bells and whistles, let's say? And just for reference, this is the E model, giving you more of a dirt bike type of feel.
Oh, the temperature's going down a few degrees, so that's nice. It's still hovering right around 40, but it feels a lot better. Oh my gosh, so many. Man, this thing, it really is just a dirt bike. A little bit heavier dirt bike. Okay. Hill descent. Oh, so much cooler out of the sun. This is so nice. Oh boy. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, it's just a hill. It's just a hill. All right. Hill climb. Woohoo! Come on, donkey. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, so much fun. You guys don't even know my enjoyment. It's a lot. It's a lot of enjoyment. Wow, this is cool. Oh, no.
I'll be the first one to admit it, I'm definitely not the most skilled rider out there. I'd probably put myself somewhere around the novice level. Coming from the adventure bike world, hopping on a smaller dual sport like this feels like a completely different experience. On these technical trails, the DRZ instantly boosts my confidence. It's lighter, more forgiving, and just puts a huge smile on my face. I'm starting to understand why people love these bikes and what they're really capable of. Now, this particular bike has a fairly soft suspension that's clearly designed for trail riding, and that's exactly the kind of riding I'd be using it for. It isn't overflowing with horsepower, but it's got enough to keep things exciting when you twist the throttle. For where my skills are right now, it feels like the perfect amount of power. Enough to challenge me, but not so much as constantly trying to get me into trouble.
Oh God. Nope, messed that one. Messed that one up royally. Whoops. Mark didn't see, doesn't count. Redemption. All right, here's a. Oh no, I messed it up. Oh no. If anyone knows why the DRZ has a trouble starting when it's kind of warm sometimes, oh man, let me know. There we go. It's weird. I don't know. I haven't looked into it much at all, but if anyone knows, let me know in the comments what's up or what I should be looking for. And it seems to only be kind of when it's warm, you shut it off, and sometimes it'll have troubles flashing up. So Mark said this is the skinny part of the trail. We'll see what he's talking about. Rock cross. Ah, that's so fun. All right. I don't know what it is, but crossing logs like that, being able to roll off your front tire, it's my favorite thing to do, especially when you do it right. Or at least how I think it's right. What? This isn't a trail, Mark. This is where deer go. Not bikes. I better fold my mirror in. Oh, there's a rock. Ah! I haven't ridden anything this tight. Oh man, this is fun. How did you just do that? Oh. Oh, I'm gonna go this way. Yep. Yep. Not too sure, but I'm pretty sure Jeff or the previous owner to him shortened these handlebars a little bit, like cut them down. So stuff like this will be great. I also don't know if we should be standing up or... Whoa. Oh, there's a way people do this, I know. Oh, I almost did it. Never tried that before. Oh, oh. Didn't fall. Didn't fall. Oh, motorcycles are so much fun. Oh my God, where are we right now? The jungle? This is not a trail, Mark. Yeah, baby. Whew. That's not a trail, dude.
If you're wondering where this exact route is, you'll find it over on That Moto app. It's a free app where riders can discover, share, and download routes from other riders. I've been using it a lot lately, and it's become one of my favorite ways to find new places. Definitely go check it out.
Whoa. Cheater, eh? Whoa. I feel like I'm on a racetrack. Whoa. Oh man, this is so cool in here. Imagine when this gets muddy though. Yeah. Oh! This is where I went with Lakeman. If you guys haven't seen that video, I went to Sugar Lake, but we ended up going through this way. I remember that little corner. I think I fell right here. Yeah, if you guys haven't watched that video, definitely go check it out because it was pretty cool. Jeff let me take the DRZ up there, and that was by far, oh shit, the funnest time I've had on a motorcycle. Oh yeah, and there's that drop off. Don't go in there. It's probably not a good idea. Wow, couldn't see there. Whoa, okay, now I'm getting into it. Oh, it is hot, and I gotta cool off. Oh, yes. AC, natural AC. Oh. Nope. Didn't hit that one. I think I was in third gear. Oh, drop down. Oh, drop down. Oh no. What have I done? Well, this is embarrassing. Oh my God. What an idiot. Maybe I can just drag it out and cheat a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Rookie mistake there. Holy. We're coming into the best lake on earth. James Lake. Well, the best named at least. James Lake.
So coming back to my original question, is the DRZ one of the most underrated dual sports in 2026? My answer? It depends. Depends on your budget, your skill level, the kind of riding you want to do. For riders like me, someone still learning, building confidence, and wanting to explore tougher trails, I honestly think this is one of the best values out there. It'll take you to some incredible places, it'll sharpen your skills, and when you climb back on your adventure bike, you'll be amazed how much you've improved. And with these things only selling for around $3 to $5 grand, it's hard to think of any other bike that offers this much fun for that little money. No, it's not the fastest, no, it's not the newest, and it's definitely not the most advanced, but maybe that's exactly why it's so underrated. Because after 25 years, it's still doing exactly what it was built to do. Get you out riding and put a massive smile on your face.
The fun ride. You feel content after too. You know, you're just like, all right, my body's good.
Well, even coming back.
Yeah.
Take it nice and easy.
Yeah, yeah. Back down we go, and oh, that was fun. Look at the pink skies here too.